Hello everyone, my name is Dorjee Lepcha and we will be discussing about the chapter that is cloud computing. As you all know, in this world we are living in, which is dominated by technologies, IT sectors, etc. So somewhere or the other we have to come across this topic called cloud computing. I think some may have known about this word or some may have heard about this word. So in this chapter, what basically we will be talking about what is cloud computing. So talking about cloud computing, let's see some of the contents about it. So it basically contains what is cloud computing, why cloud computing, some of the cloud computing technologies, service model of cloud computing. So basically what is cloud computing and why the name cloud? Okay, so starting with the introduction of cloud computing is like when you store your photos online instead of your home computer or using webmail or a social networking site, that is Facebook, or using a cloud, that means you are simply using a cloud computing. Okay, so in the most general form, cloud computing is keeping document and data on remote network. Okay, remote network means internet and your local network means your home computer. Okay, keeping the data on remote internet server that can be accessed from multiple computers, tablet and smartphones. Okay, so why the name cloud? So cloud was given the name because it is just to relate the structure about cloud computing. How the name got related? Name got related by the structure. As you all know, in cloud, what is there? It is just a combination of water vapor molecules to form a cloud. Similarly, in cloud computing, it is the combination of networks and networks combined together to form cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Before that, there has been a rumor that 51% of people worldwide believe that due to a bad weather, the cloud computing services get hampered. That is totally wrong. I want to say that there is nothing in cloud. Okay, so it's just a term related to the structure which coincidentally they do relate to each other. So what is cloud computing? Okay, it is in a simple manner running program over the internet. Okay, like you are using an application, say name it like a Facebook. You are just using the Facebook. Okay, that is through an internet. You don't care about where your data is being stored. You don't have to care about your security, whether your account can be used, misused. You don't have to worry about that. You just have to run the application over the internet. Okay, secondly, storing or retrieving data over the internet. Like you can simply take an example of uploading your pictures. So you can simply take an example about downloading music, videos, movies, etc. that are all cloud based and that is over the internet. Thirdly, renting resources over the internet. That means how much ever you want to use the internet, that amount of a data, be it like a data or a storage, the cloud provides, you can rent over it. So some of the example of cloud computing services. Number one, email communication. We can access email where anywhere, from anywhere, anytime, any place. Okay? We can access it through internet. Secondly, social networking site. We can browse Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other social networking site through internet. Let it be like Facebook and Instagram. Thirdly, Google Drive, where we can store our data, where we can retrieve our data over the internet. Apple iCloud, it does the same function as the Google Drive, but it is actually owned by Apple, and Google Drive is owned by Google. So why cloud computing? Okay, cloud computing applications are limitless. As you know, like over the internet, you can search anything, you can get anything. All you have to search for the data what you want, pay what you use. This means, like, if you are renting like 1 GB of a data storage, I mean to say 1 GB of storage, so all you have to do is store 1 GB of 1 GB amount of storage. You don't have to pay more than that. More than 1 GB you don't have to pay, or you don't have to pay less than 1 GB. All you have to do is pay for what you want. Okay, that is 1 GB of data. So no server space are required. That means, as you all know, in cloud computing we don't have to worry about server, we don't have to worry about network, we don't have to worry about operating system, we don't have to worry about virtualization, because everything is managed by vendors or the service providers who actually provides the services, who actually provides the applications or the software. So no server space are required if not cloud computing. Okay, if not cloud computing, just say there, if you want to open a business, e-commerce business, to open it you have to create your own network, you have to create your own server, you have to create your own operating system, you have to create your own storage. So everything cost so the expenses get high. Okay, so what does cloud computing do is, like, they provide all these facilities. All you have to do is just rent the storage, rent the network, anything. You just have to rent it, and thus and all the services are provided by the vendors. Okay, for this reason, like, if you don't have to worry about server, because it is managed by your service provider. In that way you don't have to worry about server, you don't have to worry about networks, you don't have to worry about storage, which cost a lot of money. Okay, for that reason cloud computing is on hype. So data can be accessed and stored over the internet, as you all know, using some internet based applications, cloud based applications. Simply say like Gmail, you can retrieve your data, you can retrieve the information wherever you are, at anywhere you are, you can retrieve it. Only you need a good internet connection, and it provides data security, because if not cloud computing, all we have to do is we have to work on by ourselves to look upon the data security. So in cloud computing there is no such worries to look upon the data security. As you all know, it is also managed by a vendor or a service provider. So in our next chapter we will be discussing about uh, cloud computing technologies, and before that we will look onto the real-time example. That is, I will be showing you about the real-time example about DigiLocker. Okay, that is government based cloud computing services provided to the Indian citizen, where we can store our documents. Thank you. So let's look onto some of the real-time example about cloud computing services. For this example, I have taken this app, which is a government-based cloud services, which provides 1 GB of space to store data, where we can save our important documents, and whenever we needed it, we can use them. Only thing is, you should have a good internet connection. The value of this digital locker is important. Like you can say, if you have stored the document in digital locker, you no longer have to carry a hard copy of your document around. You can just show the document stored in digital locker for verification purpose, and it is totally valid. For example, if you encounter policeman and he or she stops you and you didn't carry any original driving license, that is hard copy of your license, RCs, etc., you can just simply show the document, that is license, that is stored in your DigiLocker, and you can get away with it. So looking at the app, I have already installed this in my phone, so I will give you the overall looks about the DigiLocker. So as you know, I have already signed in. Whenever you first open the DigiLocker, and there is one icon on the top right corner which says sign in. You have to just click on it, and it says with sign in with your new, or you, it says like create a new account or log into your account. So basically we are new to this DigiLocker, so we will create our new account. So for that purpose, you just have to click on that create a new account, and the interface will say that enter your Aadhaar card number. After entering your Aadhaar card number, your means your app, your what you say, your profile will automatically generate it. Like you can see, if I go to setting here, not settings, sorry, if I go to profile, look, my account has already generated with my names, date of birth, etc. So after generating your account profile, it will say your protection password you have to enter. So after entering that, this type of interface will pop up, and you can see there is home, issue document. So if I go to my issue document, you can see Aadhaar card is already linked, because at first when we are creating our our profile, where we had enter our Aadhaar card number, it automatically generated our profile, and it linked our Aadhaar card with these applications. So your Aadhaar card is linked with these applications. Now coming back to home, so to upload the documents, you just simply click the left corner, three lines are there, just click it on, and you'll see the options to upload. Here you can issue the document online, scan QR code, or even change the setting. I have I have put my 4-digit numbers before, so I have already activated my PIN number. So all you can do is just what you say on this verification and just type your PIN, whatever you want to set. It will secure your application. Okay, it will provide a password. Whenever you open the application, you have to enter the password to open those applications. So coming to that upload document, as I have already opened the document, that is driving license. So all you have to do is click the picture of your document with the help of your cam scanner or photo scanner app, and just click on to top right corner where you can see a logo about the arrow showing upwards. Just click it there. You can upload the files. Now there is an option called files or contains from other apps. All you have to do is click on file. Now whatever you have scanned the document, it will always be on DCIM folder. Look there. So I have scanned it through the help of photo scan, so it's there. I will not upload it because I have already uploaded my documents, that is driving license. Okay, so you can also issue the document through online. And one thing about this DigiLocker is you're seeing this state government. You have to click there, view all. You will see our state name Sikkim, and from through I got the online document from transport department, that is driving license and registration of vehicle. All you have to click is on driving license and put the driving license number and get document, and it will all be uploaded in issue document. That's the benefit of DigiLocker, and which is cloud based services. Thank you.